Hi everyone. Okay, last time we have done a basic example to understand array and a simple program to understand the architecture of array. Now we'll do some more example based on the array. Okay, what we'll do, we will find the sum of array element and find the maximum value. Okay, in array. So these two will be doing this. Okay, sum of array element and then find the maximum value in the array. So first of all, I'm going to Eclipse. See, now I'm not going to input the data from the user. Rather, I declare a variable, array variable, line number 10. Okay, and these are the elements set to this. I'm iterating from here. Okay, now there are 5 elements, and I say this. Now what I require a variable. Okay, sum where we'll be storing the addition of the array element. So let us say I say sum plus array of x. Fine. Now you can see this. So x will vary from 0 to 4 and all the sum will hold into the variable sum. And that's all for now. Let's say I'll try to find out sum over here. Let's see what will happen. Okay, sum equal to sum plus AR of x. Okay, I'm trying to run this. No problem. Okay, the sum is coming as 22. Now the next is we are supposed to find out maximum value. So let us say I say max equal to another variable that is 0. And now inside this I say a max array that is x. It means the current element if it is more than max. Fine, and then we'll try to say max equal to that is array of x. That's all. Okay, now we'll try to print this also. Okay, just observe this output. Okay, we'll try to print max. Okay, you can see. Fine, 8 is coming. Now I'll make this 11 and we'll try to run this also. Okay, you can see 11 is coming. Perfect. So sum is very simple, this example. Now what are we doing to find the maximum value? Okay, we are saying if AR of x. So initial value is more than max. So definitely in the first iteration, it will be more than this. So we are assigning the initial value of AR into max. Then we are iterating and the value of max will be replaced with the next value if it is more than the current value. Otherwise max will remain whatever it may be there. Okay, I'll explain you like suppose 8. Is 8 greater than 0? Yes, max will become 8. Now comes 11. Is 11 greater than 8? Yes, max will become 11. Then comes 4. Is 4 greater than 11? No, and so on. Okay, and the sum is very simple. We are adding all this thing and then printing it. Okay, thank you for watching this.